Messenger app on your phone and search for McDonald's PK. Browse through the menu and click on items for what you want to order. McBot works best if you click on the buttons. Click on Order for the item you want to order, and then select your meal type, or no meal if you just want the burger. Add more items to your order, or click on Finish Order to check out. We need your accurate and complete details to be able to deliver your food. You must select your area. Click on Confirm Order. Your order is placed. Sit back and relax.